Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
That guy right there.
Modesto B61.
Huh? He has a gun back there.
Okay. Hey, give us 1033 Orangeburg and Elsen, guy with the gun. Get down! $11.99, shots fired, suspect down. Get your hands up! Hands up!
Hands up!
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! B61, subject down.
Orangeburg and Elsen.
B61, keep the comms clear. One at gunpoint, he's down in the intersection. We're facing westbound on the east side of Enslen. Put the car in park. Hey, go ahead and reload. I've got him, reload, Owens. B61. You can cancel the $11.99. We just need our unit's code. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stay down! Owens!
Do not touch the guy!
Owens, hold on him! I'm moving to a tree.
I got it.
B61, 1141 to stage. Go inside, get out! Stay on the ground! B61, no units westbound, or correction, no units eastbound. Units do not come in from the west. Go inside! Owens, where's the gun?
Near his right hand.
Copy!
Keep going, you're good. Hurry. Just a place, don't move.
Okay, I need somebody without a rifle to help me.
I got you.
Grab it.
All right.